Clinicians, coaches, and especially researchers, whom Mars can help, are often interested in measuring different forms of movement that can be either sport-specific movements or activities of daily life. Since the number of such special analyses can be almost unlimited, Mars contains a free measurement module, which enables the user to acquire the three-component force signals without any calculations. The Free Measurement Test module can be entered by clicking on the Free Measurement button in the main window. As with the organization of all Mars test modules, the interface is divided into a left setup panel, right analysis panel, bottom measurement panel, and central signals area. Before starting with the measurements, you can select the input parameters that you defined in the settings sections according to your specific needs. To start with the measurement, click on New Measurement. After launching the test module and clicking the New Measurement button, initialization and offset takes place. During this time, the subject should not be on the force plate. If necessary, the measurement mode can be cancelled by pressing the Cancel button. Initiate the measurement by pressing Start. The subject then performs the movement, in our case, the karate kick. The measurement stops after pressing the Stop button in the lower panel. If you are satisfied with the measurement, you can save it. Force signals can be exported from the right analysis panel.